So guys, you have gotten the handphone holder and now you want to fix or install the security lock. My name is Hafiz. Let's get down to the video. Okay guys, so to install the security lock, you only need the arm of the handphone holder, two rubber bands, and the security lock. If you're wondering about the security lock, when you get the security lock itself, the knot is already inside. So as you can see, it's two separate pieces, but when it's inside the pack, it is combined into one. Alright, so this is for the security lock. Alright, what you need to do now is to get the arm of the holder, right? Hold it in place. Take the rubber bands, tie the ends like this. Alright, this will help to secure the two metal plates together. I know some of us may have butterfingers, so to avoid the two plates jumping out because inside there's a spring, this is a very good option or choice for you. Right, so now that you have already secured the two ends, you just need to unscrew. As you can see, the gap gets bigger and bigger. Unscrew the lever until it comes off. Right. Once it comes off, then you take the security lock, right, and replace it. And you start screwing it back in. Alright, so there you go. This is the key and this is the knob. So your installation process is done. Okay, there you go guys. I hope this video have helped you install your security lock. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Ride safe.